good. Now I get to see how his neck will run.
This thing's brand new though. It's gonna be a little doggy. You gotta get about 7 to 8 tanks of fuel through it.
It is doggy, I hear it.
It's got a big bar on it too though. Oh, he bought it from me. It's mine. Uh-oh.
Quiet follow.
Mine, it's brand new. Brand new.
It ain't broke in.
You gotta break her in.
Right off the shelf. You get, like you said, 8-10 tanks running through the beer, right?
Yeah.
It's not broke in yet. Otherwise, don't sound too bad.